bought a transit van, 2011, long wheelbase, high top. Even as a hobbit, I want to stand up in it. It was sort of campervan-ish. Had a double bed, lights, diesel heater, but that's about it. So I ripped everything out, started from scratch. I'm going to go out later, I'm going to spend a night in it and see how it goes. Destination unknown. Lovely location, got blue sky, the beach is just over there. Had some microlight people, loads of them, so I was filming them all. So it's going to be a nice evening. Going to chill, might have a beer, so I shall see you in the morning. Well, I slept really well. I'm liking it. So I'm going to get up now, sort myself out, make some breakfast, and hit the road again. Destination unknown.